Hello, South Africa. I'm Jennifer Fitzsimmons. The world is waking up to the fact that we are living a lie. We're born innocent and free with a mind that is the bridge to our freedom. Our minds have been stolen. They've been taken away. They've been manipulated, controlled, taught what life is all about, what we're allowed to say, what we're not allowed to say, what we're allowed to do, what we're not allowed to do, what we're allowed to believe. But this is great, because now that we're aware of it, we can take our mind back. And there's only one way that we can do that, and that is by deprogramming all the corruption and reprogramming our mind with the way we'd like to see life. And I believe every person on the planet would love to see harmony, peace, hope, and truth. Let us lead you in this podcast.